Look at Karma. She's a spider. She's playing with all of her toys. She took out of all of her toys out of her toy box, which is what you do when you're bored and mom is not paying attention to you. You play with your toys, you comfort yourself. So, anyways, you know, when we don't know what to do, sometimes reading directions or looking up things might be something that we want to try to do. So we're going to go on the IRS website. I'm going to share my screen so I can find it here. Okay. Let's open this up for a second. This is something else. This is not what I'm going for. We're going to go to irs.gov. irs.gov. And I would like to go over the 1040V because I've been hearing people talk about the 1040V and I don't know what that is. 1040V. Shout out to Radiantclone. Thank you so much. Okay, so about Form 1040V payment voucher. General information, forms, instruction, payment. Let's see where to file. Let's go here about Form 1040V payment voucher. About. So this is like really boring stuff, big time. And it might be a waste of time for other people too. About Form 1040V, U.S. individual income tax return. Does this make you panic when you look into the IRS stuff? Because it can get really overwhelming big time. Instructions, there's the form. Well, let's, I'd like to know why, first of all, why we would even need to do that. Where to file, schedules, about publication 17. What's that? Look at how lost you could get here. Hey, looks like I've been here before. Reading other things. Okay, what is this? Current revision. Below, I'm going to go here. Below is a general guide, to what schedules you will need to file. See the instructions for Form 1040 for more information on the numbered schedules. For Schedule A and other lettered schedules, see schedules for Form 1040. This is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 1040V. See right here about Form 1040V? I pushed on it. Form 1040V is a statement you send with your check or money order for any balance due on the amount you owe line. You know that line on your Form 1040 or your 1040 non-resident? Oh. Okay. But I mean, if you don't have an income, like you put 0 on, what was that, line 17 or whatever line it is, I don't know how you'd owe anything unless the bank sends a 1099 somehow. It says you got ACH payments, which happened to me. In that case, how are you supposed to say 0 on line 17 when you got that bank saying, yeah, got 26,000 in ACHs? I'm just wondering. Because, you know, when you sign at the bottom, it says penalty of perjury that you're telling the truth, blah, blah, blah. All right, so about 1040, no, we're looking for this current revision. So it does say a 1040V is a statement you send with your check or money order. It's a statement. for any balance due on the amount you owe. Let's just look. All right. Oh, hey, hello in your face. What is Form 1040V? It's a statement you send with your check or money order for any balance due on the amount you owe line of your 2020 Form 1040 senior something, or 1040 non-resident. Okay. Then that tells you how to consider making your tax payment electronically. This is voluntarily though, and how to fill in Form 1040V. Line 1, enter the social security number of the ens legis person, all capital person. If you are filing a joint return, okay. If you're filing a joint return, enter the social security number shown on the second on your return. Enter the amount you are paying by check or money order. Is that one of those R-style money order things? If paying at IRS Gov, don't complete this form. Enter your name and address exactly as shown on your return. Please print clearly. How to prepare your payment. Make your check or money order payable to United States Treasury. Don't send cash. If you want to pay cash in person, see Pay by Cash. Make sure your name and address appear on your check or money order. Enter your daytime phone number and your social security number on the check or money order. Really? If you have an individual taxpayer identification number, enter it wherever your social security number is requested. If you are filing a joint return, enter the social security number shown first on your return. Also enter 2020 Form 1040, 2020 Form 1040 SR, or 2020 Form 1040 NR, whichever is appropriate. Meaning these would be the taxes for the year 2020. To help us process your payment, enter the amount on the right side of your check like this. $500.00. Don't use dashes or lines, for example. Okay. Notice to taxpayers presenting checks. When you provide a check as payment, you authorize us to either use information from your check to make a one-time electronic fund. That means you're going to take it out of your bank, basically. No checks of 100 million or more are accepted. The IRS can't accept a single check, including a cashier's check, for amounts of 100 million or more. If you are sending 100 million or more by check, you will need to spread the payments over 2 or more checks. Dang, that's a lot of voluntary money there. Pay by cash, that's obvious. You must first be registered online to pay by cash. That's weird. How to send in your 2020 tax return payment in Form 1040V. Don't staple. Okay. You mean don't use Mr. Staple? Nope. Or otherwise attach your payment or Form 1040V to your return. Instead, just put them loose in the envelope. Mail your 2020 tax return payment in Form 1040V to the address shown on the back that applies to you. Are you a senior? Are you a non-resident? Are you an individual? Are you a trust, entity, estate? Which are you? How to pay electronically. Okay, we know how to do that. I don't want to do that. I don't want to give them money for free. It's volunteer. Form 1040V, Department of the Treasury, Internal Revenue Service, payment voucher. Okay, there are the lines in the boxes. It looks pretty elementary. Amount you are paying by check or money order. Make your check or money order payable to the United States Treasury. So This is basically kind of like a cover sheet to say, hey, I want to volunteer to give you $100 million. Not really, but here. And what do people do? What our style money order? Why would they do that? What? Why would anybody do this? I don't understand. Why would they voluntarily pay the money? What is this for? Oh, tomorrow's Veterans Day. Okay, thanks, Mom. She wants me to go get my free food somewhere. Like where? Chili's? Denny's? Okay. I thought I would never wear green again, but oh my gosh, I'm wearing BDUs. What's up with that? Hello? Brainwashed into liking BDUs. Okay, so then if you live here, then use this address to send in your payment. Why would I want to send them money? I don't want to send them money. I mean, I could do it my style, our style money order, but what's the purpose? Why would you want to volunteer to send the money? I don't want to send the money. So that's what this is for. Some people are using this to pay their bills, like utility bills. But I don't know that it says that here. It doesn't say that here. So anyways, I just wanted to read it. Okay? I don't have the answers for you. I just thought I would read it. Okay? There's something flying. Let me see how Karma's doing. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her. She's such a good girl. She's such a good girl, playing with her toys while I'm reading really boring stuff that I don't think has anything to do with us.